I'm sharing some inspiration with you today on how to style a bookshelf or console table with things that you likely already have around the house. Now, I've upcycled several of these pieces, including the art and some of the other decorative objects. I'll share the paint colors that I used at the end. You'll want to go ahead and grab some decorative objects that are varying in both size and texture. Adding layers such as risers and trays are always a great way to add some different depth and dimension. One of my favorite things to grab is always candles and diffusers. And I always try to incorporate a plant in when possible. Live is always best, but if not, faux works really great as well. And then lastly, adding in a textured item like a throw or blanket will make the space seem that much cozier.